Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in SCD, that is how to delete the lines in a text file. Here I am having one text file called TEST. It contains 3 lines. This is my first Linux. Linux is easy to learn and welcome to Linux lesson session. These are all the 3 lines. I want to remove the first 2 lines. How I am going to do that? You can see now. See, I have given SCD -E 1D, then -E, then 2D, then text. Here D stands for deleting the line. E stands for editing the file. So I have edited the file and deleted 2 lines from the test file. But here it just displays the result in the screen. But if you want to store the results in a separate file, we have to do like this. See here, result got stored in the text2 file. In the first line of the script, there, it deleted the 2 lines, but it is not storing the results in the another text file. Here we have stored the result in the another text file. Okay, this is the command you have to use. Okay, now we are going to see how to delete the file by using the command text. Okay, we are going to give the list of commands in a text file, and by using the file, how we are going to delete the data in the text file. We will see now. Normally, in the real-time environment, you will be having a very large file which may be containing around 1,500 lines or 2,000 lines like that. If you want to delete the first line, second line, and then 15th line, 20th line, and then 115th line, we cannot do everything manually by typing the commands like this. So you have to generate one script file. By using that script, you can easily delete all the required lines from the text file very easily. Okay. So we are going to generate that command text. How we are going to do that? Now we will see. See, here we have generated one command file that contains 1D and 2D. But if you are having some 1,000 lines, if you want to delete 15th line, 20th line, 115th line, we can specify in that command text file, so that by using that, you can delete that very easily. See, here F stands for file. So SCD-F commands txt, then the original text file we have to type. Command txt, which contains the list of the lines to be deleted. That commands, not the list, including the command 1D, 2D. This is the command to delete the lines from the text file. Okay, we are using that command file, and then we are deleting the data from the large text file. Okay, this is the way how to use this SCD-F. We have seen SCD-E and SCD-F. Okay. Here I have given slash backslash, sorry, slash n. N stands for new line. Okay. Otherwise, it will be comes like this 1D and then next to 2D. We want 1D and then 2D under the 1D means we have to use this slash n, which will create the what? It will enter into the next line. Okay. A new line will be generated. Okay, this is the way how to use the SED commands. We will see some more SED commands in the next